Hello, all. Welcome to our channel. So, how to advertise your services by using Facebook page? So, we are into the CCTV installation services in Hyderabad. I'm using my Facebook page. We have to go to your particular tab. The tab name is called, you have to enable option name is called services. Enable tab name is called services. Suppose your Facebook page open will be here. Go to home. We have the Facebook page will be open two types. One is here will be like this, or else we have to open will be like this option will be here. So this is the one of the highest method we'll be using will be here. When you open this kind of page will be here, simple. After page will be open, they move on to the classic one where click this, switch to classic, continue, click for here, switch back. So compulsory the page will be classic mode, the tab will be visible or else nothing to enable this feature. So after adding tab, what is our task? You can promote your services where go to service tab, add your service, simple three steps. Don't go with the more step. First of all, service name. I'm using for keyword. I don't have a keyword will be here in this. The keyword is called in this service, fixed price, starting from variable price, ask price. Why? Because you don't know price. To ask where? To the service providers. After this, copy, description, appointment hours, 0 or 30 minutes, anything you wish. Show service, appointment duration, as you wish or nothing required. Click this image. Appointment duration, don't give appointment duration. Digital service will be promote anytime. Okay. Sir, where you can promote link? Question is called your website link. Please promote by the individual links. Don't promote by your home link. Always don't promote by your home link option. So why? Because this content will be too much. So that is called here. So what will happen? Remove this one. When adding your website URL, please give the space. After that, click for save. Short title, short description, URL, image, and done your post. So this service where you can promote it. This service visible by the user by keyword type. The service visible by the keyword type. When click here, the service visible by users, open this incognito window, login compulsory required, but I'm showing for your service here. What we can click for? Message. If you want looking for the service, what we can click for? Message option. So that is called what are the your page services tab compulsory important. Sir, I'm unable to show my service tab. What is the reason? What is the behind reason of I'm unable to show your tab? Go to here, edit tab. First follow your templates. Facebook page is a number of templates are there. Shopping, business, venues, non-profit, politician, service, public figure, everything. Apply for template. This will be service related template. Previous, what is that? Shopping is there. Now, what is I'm changing for? Service template. Refresh. Previous is showing for shopping. Now will be service. Click here. Sir, after adding any tab, anything will be visible or disable. Not like that. What are the content you have? All will be visible. Along with your YouTube and Instagram tab also will be applicable. Any tab is disallow, you can enable will be here. Which is a fixed one? Photos, videos, about, community, Instagram, YouTube. This will be fixed. Once you add the tab, we can't remove your particular tab will be here. So that is called, we can change your tab, but we don't delete the particular specific tab option. Is it clear? So this is a method we have to use, update on your services and based on your template. Business will be business. You are into video will be video. Shopping will be shopping related. If you are any kind of service provider, always template will be services. Where you can find out template, simple option. Go to settings. Here also will be applicable where template and tabs. First to select template, this will be tabs option. So this is the compulsory follow. What are the service you are providing? Service will be given and click for here. So this will be very useful short content. We don't changing the title of the service will be here. Go to service. Simple. You have to promote location. CCTV installation services, Panjagutta. CCTV services in Hyderabad. You can use short keywords that will be held by the particular short keyword also. So compulsory promote your services will be here. People was looking will be here service. What we can call click message, get by more leads. So follow this option and increase your services option. So any further question, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.